This looks like lava from a volcano. But it's not lava. It's melted sand. And transcript, and this is what it becomes.
This is how sand becomes glass.
Everything begins with silica sand. Soda ash lowers the melting temperature. Limestone adds strength and durability.
Each ingredient is stored separately.
Precise measurement ensures perfect composition. The ingredients are blended into a fine mixture called batch. Now it begins its journey toward extreme heat. Solid grains dissolve into molten glass. Now it flows like a glowing river. Impurities are removed for clarity.
Temperature must remain stable.
Controlled flow determines shape. Automated blades cut precise glass portions. Each glowing drop becomes a product. First, it's pressed into a basic shape. Still glowing, but formed.
The glass has been shaped, but it is still extremely hot. At nearly 600 degrees Celsius, it must now cool carefully. Thermal cameras monitor surface temperature in real time.
This long tunnel is called the annealing layer.
If glass cools too quickly, internal stress will cause cracks. Slow cooling relieves tension.
This process removes invisible stress trapped inside the glass structure. After controlled cooling, the glass becomes stable and strong.
Advanced inspection systems detect even microscopic flaws.
If a defect is found, the bottle is removed immediately. Consistent wall thickness ensures durability. Strength testing confirms structural integrity. Glass containers must withstand internal pressure. A protective coating reduces scratches during transport.
Brand identity is molded directly into the glass.
From molten sand to finished product, the transformation is complete. The transformation is complete, but the journey is not over. Before packaging, every bottle must be perfectly aligned. Robotic systems handle the glass with calculated precision. Packaging begins with automated case formation. Each unit is positioned to prevent impact during transport. Internal dividers absorb shock and vibration. The case is sealed for secure handling. Weight checks confirm correct quantity. Each package receives a unique identification code. Traceability ensures accountability. Automated palletizing maximizes space and efficiency. Shrink wrapping stabilizes the load for transport. From production floor to warehouse. Here, finished glass awaits global distribution.
Soon, it will travel across cities and continents.
Across oceans.
Across highways.
And into everyday life.
Glass shapes our cities.
It advances science. It connects the world and captures energy from the sun.
But the journey does not end here.
But the journey does not end here.
Glass can be recycled endlessly.
And reborn through fire.
From simple sand
To crystal clarity.
Fire transforms nature into precision.
This is how glass is made.
And it all began with sand.